YouTube. So I'm home early. I got the flu. I actually did a COVID test. Negative. Those free test kits were given out by the government here in Alberta. But anyways, I feel like bag of smashed assholes, but still light out because it gets dark here at 4:30 this time of year. But I want to try out that 3400. We've reached our high temperature today, so it's a balmy minus 15 degrees Fahrenheit outside. So I'm going to start. I'm not going to try tuning it because, I mean, tomorrow it's going to be, I think, 33 Fahrenheit. That's the kind of temperature swings we have here in Alberta in the winter. It's messed up sometimes. One day, minus 40. A couple days later, we can be 10 Celsius above, or that'd be like, I don't know, 50 Fahrenheit. But anyways, so I'm going to give that 3400 a whirl. See you in a bit. Okay, so it kind of looks like that poulan has an air leak. Yeah, it's not actually the case because it was just low on fuel. So when I tipped over, it was probably drawing some air. So once I filled full tank, I was playing with it after. I'm going to post that video later, but don't want to keep this video too long, so I was messing with it for a bit. But yeah, but no, it seems to run okay. I'm going to let it cool down. I had idling there. I was doing some stuff outside for about 15 minutes, so I'm going to take it back inside, do a compression test, see what's at now that's ran and stuff. So yeah, that's about it. Talk to you later. Bye.